How to start selling on Amazon. If you're a complete beginner, in this video I'll show you the exact steps you need to take to start selling products on Amazon. You'll learn how to make money on the marketplace and avoid a lot of the common pitfalls beginners fall into. First of all, a quick definition. FBA means fulfillment by Amazon. Basically, that means Amazon will store your products in one of their large fulfillment centers and they'll fulfill your orders and offer customer service so you don't have to. Instead, what you'll do is send all of your products in bulk to one of the fulfillment centers, and every time an order comes in, Amazon then sends it to a customer one by one. The big advantage of this is you automatically qualify for the Amazon Prime program, which means Amazon will send your products to customers either same day or next day delivery. That's great because you're more likely to make sales, because customers on Amazon, they prefer fast shipping. Because you have to buy the inventory up front, you will need an initial budget and some money to start selling on Amazon. Sometimes as little as $500 is enough to get started. If you would like more detailed step-by-step content on how to sell on Amazon, then consider subscribing to my channel. If you click on the red subscribe button and also the notification bell next to it, then YouTube will actually let you know when I release new videos and new updates. So the first step is, of course, to find a product and to find a profitable niche. This is what's known as Amazon product research. To do this, I recommend you use software so you can actually see how many sales competitors are making every single month. You want to try and pick a niche where there's enough demand. For this, I usually recommend products, at least 4 or 5 products in this niche selling more than $3,000 worth of products every single month. To actually check this, we need product research software like, for example, Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. I've got discounted links for both in the description area below this video. Just click on the link and then you can follow the discount instructions, and within minutes you will be able to start analyzing product niches on Amazon. Next thing we need to do once we've found a potential product is we need to actually find a supplier for this product. There are a couple of reasons for that. Not only so that we can actually buy the products we need to sell, but also because we need to check how much they're going to cost. The reason for this is so that we can work out our profit margin to see whether we can actually make money on a particular product. As an example, let's say we're going to try and sell a product for $20. Well, Amazon might take $4 from us in terms of fees. That includes sending the product to a customer and also their commission for advertising the product on their marketplace. So we know we're going to be left back with $16 per item sold. Now, if the product actually costs us $16 to source from a supplier, then it doesn't make sense. We're not making any money. We need to get that cost down to around $8 to $10 per unit. That way we know we'll make at least $6 to $8 per unit in terms of pure profit. So we're actually making money selling these products on Amazon. Now, there are many different websites and companies that supply products. I recommend using Alibaba, and if you'd like a separate video tutorial where I discuss in detail how to actually find suppliers on Alibaba, just mention that in the comment section below. When looking for suppliers on Alibaba, I recommend contacting at least 5. You need to find out the price, the different types of products they have in that range, and the minimum order quantity. What's the minimum required to actually order from them for that particular price? Finally, you should also give them your address or a sample address in your country to get an idea of what the shipping charges would be, because we have to include this when we're calculating our margin. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, please click the like button. It helps me out here on YouTube tremendously. Now, while sourcing the product, you also need to register for a professional Amazon seller account. There is also an individual seller account that is cheaper, where you can sell a limited number of products every month, usually around 20 or 25. For the professional account, generally you're unlimited in terms of how much you can sell, and that's the account most Amazon sellers use. The cost for that varies from different marketplaces, but usually it's around $30 to $40 per calendar month. Before you actually place your first order for products and make the payment, I recommend actually creating a product listing first. You do this on Amazon Seller Central once you've created an Amazon Seller Central account. You'll see in the top right hand corner, I've linked a separate video tutorial where I go through how to list your product step by step in Amazon Seller Central. From here, you can actually create the shipping template that will allow you to send products directly to an Amazon fulfillment center. Next step is, of course, to order the product, and once the products arrive, they take usually a week or two to turn into stock. Once your products are in stock, it's very important that you spend some time launching your product, and that includes setting up different types of promotions. For example, sales prices, vouchers, coupon codes, and also considering either outside traffic or Amazon sponsored ads to boost those initial sales. The way the Amazon A9 algorithm works is the more sales you make, the higher Amazon will place you in the search algorithm, and then the more likely you are to make sales. Without doing any sort of promotion, it's very unlikely you'll get that initial boost of sale. Also, your work doesn't stop there. You have to continually optimize your listing, make sure you're replying to any customer questions, keep an eye on your Amazon product reviews, and then look to expand your brand and launch other similar products. Selling on Amazon is certainly not an easy business. There are a lot of steps to this. However, it's very fulfilling. It gives you more freedom and flexibility in your life, and just one or two products doing well can potentially provide you with regular monthly passive income for a long time to come. I've been selling on Amazon for over 5 years, and I've made every mistake under the sun. But it's through making these mistakes that I've managed to come up with a blueprint to success. This is the same one I use for my best-selling products, and I have a comprehensive program taking you through how to do this step by step. How to sell on Amazon as a complete newbie, as a complete beginner. If you're interested, it's the first link in the description below. Thanks for listening, and I'll be back with another tutorial very soon.